Hello students, today we will be going over 10.5. This is day 3 on solving systems of equations by elimination. We have a flow chart here that says solving by elimination. Do the x values make a zero pair? And I went ahead and wrote number 17 on here, and we're going to use the flow chart to help us decide what to do. Do the x values make a zero pair? If I add these two together, no, I get 1x, so that does not. So then we go down. Do the y values make a zero pair? And the answer to that is yes. So then it said add the equations and solve. Okay, so we're going to add these two equations here. We get x equals, that goes away, -1. Now we need to figure out y. So which variable do you eliminate? And you want to put y in for that part of number 17. So after we get -1, we can plug it back into our equation. 9 times -1 plus 7y equals 19. So -9 plus 7y equals 19. Add 9. So 7y equals 28. Divide by 7, not y, and y equals 4. So our solution is -1, 4. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and go on to the next one. On number 18, 2x plus 8y equals 6, and -5x minus 20y equals -15. So which variable do you want to eliminate? Well, let's see. This one, okay, first of all, the x values don't make a zero pair, and the y values don't make a zero pair. So it says, can you make the x or y values a zero pair by multiplying one equation by -1? Nope. Figure out the number that would make a zero pair for x and y. Pick the one you want to use. So I would just go with the smaller one, because like the least common multiple of 2 and 5 would be 10, and that's not too bad to multiply each of them to get to 10. This one, it just, let's see, I don't know, maybe 80 with both of them, maybe 40. So you multiply this one by 5 and that by 2. This is just slightly easier here. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply this equation by 5 so that I can get 10x. And I'm going to multiply this one by 2 and I'll get -10x there. Okay, so when I multiply them, 5 times 2x is 10x plus, and again, remember you're multiplying every single term by the 5. 40y equals 30. And then I get -10x minus 40y equals -30. Okay. So when I add these together, the x's go away. Oh, the y's go away. So we're left with 0. And 30 minus 30 is 0. Where did the variables go? When the variable disappeared, we have to decide if that is a true or a false statement. So 0 equals 0, that is true. So remember, if it's true, what is the solution? Infinitely many solutions. Okay, so now we're going to go on and do number 19. And I don't think I have that one written out, so I'm going to write it out real quick. We have -18x minus 12y equals -28, and -6x minus 4y equals -10. Okay, let's go through our steps one more time. And we want to see, do the x values make a zero pair? No. Do the y values make a zero pair? No. Can you make the x or y values a zero pair by multiplying one equation by -1? No. So now I need to figure out if I want to eliminate the x's or the y's. And I decide I want to eliminate the x's because I can multiply this by a negative 3. This will make this positive 18x, and that'll be a negative 18x. So that should get rid of the x's. So if we need to say which variable do we want to eliminate, you put an x there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and multiply the bottom one by negative 3. Let's see what I get. 18x plus 12y equals 30. Now I'm going to take this top equation and put it down here. Negative 18x minus 12y equals negative 28. And I'm going to go ahead and add the 2. If I add these two, I get 0. They go away. If I add these two, oh, they get 0 as well. So I put 0 equals, the variables disappeared. So then I have to say, is that a true or a false statement? And that's going to be false. And what's the solution when it's false? And the answer is empty set. Or if you wanted to write out no solution, you could do that as well. Okay, students, you can get the rest of this. You rock.